This is the fourth video in the 2018 HMDA Reviews training series. The last video discussed unique data fields. In this video, we continue our review of the 48 data points credit unions must collect and report on their HMDA LARs using the review checklist provided with the ARIES 2018 Examination Program HMDA LAR questionnaire, currently on your screen, and the descriptions the CFPB provided on their reportable HMDA data reference chart, shown next on your screen. As discussed in training video number 2, you will only need to input an X in the corresponding cell of the review checklist when you note a data point error. We'll be covering data points 3 to 12 and 16 to 18 in this video. Number 3, application date, is the date the credit union received the application or the date on the application form. The application date should be in the year, month, day format. Number 4, loan type, describes whether the application is for a conventional loan or if the loan will be insured by the FHA or guaranteed by the VA or USDA. Number 5, loan purpose, indicates whether the loan is for home purchase, home improvement, refinancing, cash out refinancing, or for other purpose. Number 6, pre-approval, indicates whether the applicant requested pre-approval under a program qualifying as such, or if the applicant did not request a pre-approval. Number 7, construction method, indicates if the dwelling will be site-built or a manufactured home. Number 8, occupancy type, describes whether the property will be used as a principal or second residence or if it's an investment property. Number 9, loan amount, is simply the dollar amount requested, including cents if applicable. Number 10, action taken, indicates the credit union's action taken on the application. NCUA's fair lending examinations have identified many cases where credit unions incorrectly reported action taken due to inadequate understanding of required coding. For example, many credit unions have incorrectly reported applications approved but not accepted as application withdrawn by applicant. So, personnel responsible for HMDA data collection and reporting should ensure they have a good understanding of action taken codes. Number 11, action taken date, indicates the date of the credit union's action. The action taken date should be in the year, month, day format. Number 12, property address, is the address of the property securing the loan or proposed to secure the loan. We already covered data points 13, 14, and 15, so we'll continue with 16. The next 3 data points are commonly referred to as government monitoring information, or GMI. You're probably already familiar with the GMI because you've seen this data collected on the bottom section of the Uniform Residential Loan application. Number 16, ethnicity, describes the applicant's and co-applicants', if applicable, ethnicity. Applicants checking Code 1, Hispanic, for ethnicity may now provide one of 4 new disaggregated categories to further define their ethnicity. Also new for 2018 reporting are codes to show if the credit union obtained the ethnicity information through visual observation or surname, as required when applications are taken in face-to-face interviews. NCUA fair lending examinations have identified cases where those responsible for HMDA data collection and reporting had inadequate understanding of rules regarding collection of applicant ethnicity, race, and sex. Per HMDA guidance, quote, If the applicant chooses not to provide the information for an application taken in person, note this fact on the form and then note the applicant's ethnicity, race, and sex on the basis of visual observation and surname to the extent possible." End quote. Ethnicity reporting information continues through page 10 of the data point reference chart. Number 17, race, describes the applicant's and co-applicant's, if applicable, race. New for 2018 reporting is a free-form text field to indicate tribe for applicants checking Code 1, American Indian or Alaska Native for race. Race reporting information continues through pages 11 to 12 of the data point reference chart. Applicants checking Code 2, Asian, for race may also provide one of 7 new disaggregated categories to further define their race. Applicants checking Code 4, Native Hawaiian or other Pacific Islander, may also provide one of 4 new disaggregated categories to further define their race. New for 2018 reporting are codes to show if the credit union obtained race information through visual observation or surname as required when applications are taken in face-to-face interviews. There are also new free-form text fields for applicants reporting Code 2 Asian and Code 27 Other Asian to further define their race. There is also a new free-form text field for applicants reporting Code 4 Native Hawaiian or other Pacific Islander and Code 44 Other Pacific Islander to further define their race. Number 18, sex, indicates the applicant's and co-applicant's, if applicable, gender. Sex reporting information continues through page 16 of the data point reference chart. New for 2018 reporting are codes to show if the credit union obtained the gender information through visual observation as required when applications are taken in face-to-face interviews. This concludes our review of the first 18 HMDA data points. Part 2 of this presentation covers HMDA data points 19 through 48.